Hey YouTubers, Jose Fantasticville here in Schertz Texas off FM 78. I'm outside the Guadalupe County Service Center, but here outside the service center they have a caboose. It's a Galveston Harrisburg San Antonio line since 1877. I'm gonna flip this around so you see it better. I read somewhere before they stopped using cabooses about 1986. I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, leave comments when you think they stopped using most cabooses. Again, this one's here, not too far from the rail line on the other side, FM 78. Yeah, there's rails under it. But again, this used to be what was the Galveston Harrisburg San Antonio line. Pretty nice. Can't see in the windows. Rails, heel brake. There's an information link here. I'll go and show it. It's a caboose virtual interior tour. There's the Schertz Historical Preservation Committee. They put that on there so you can take a virtual tour. I'll test it out when I get home, see if it works. Let you guys know, or if that link works. Again, caboose here in Schertz, Texas, off FM 78. If you like some of these videos, go and like, share, subscribe. Thumbs up. Guys, have a good one. Adios.